welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Susan. I make crafting, decorating, shopping, and organizing videos, a little bit of everything. So if that's content you would love to watch, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button. Let's begin. Okay, so I'll deconstruct this and let you know where I purchased the items from. These came from Marshall's, and this was a garland that I took apart. My napkin rings, I made these. So these were DIY. They were so fun to make and super easy, and I just love them. I do have a video on that I will link. The napkins, I believe they came from Kroger. So this is just a garland that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I just cut it and made these little circles to put under the plates. This I picked up from Kirkland's, and I picked these up from Bed Bath & Beyond. And that's how it turned out. My daughter brought these to me. She picked them up at Marshall's. The nest I just made out of 2 different wreaths and added some moss on the top of it, stuck in a little greenery, and then just set it on this stand. It's marble, and I picked it up from TJ Maxx. Okay, so this is what I have on my fireplace mantle. I love this little bunny. I think he is so cute. For some reason, I just love this one. Just some little tulips. I just put them in this container and then filled it with rocks. Just kept it kind of simple. Okay, so I have watched some YouTubers talk about how you should not decorate your house with Easter bunnies and eggs and chicks. That's a little tacky, but I think that you can do it in a way that it looks great. And if you like decorating with bunnies or chicks or any of those things, I say go for it. If they make you happy or they have a sentimental reason that you pull them out every year, I think you should decorate with them. And I think that there is a classy way to do it. So you just have to be selective, and just really how you display them in your house will make a huge difference. And just like these little guys, my dad gave them to me, and they are vintage, and this one is different. Stand out in a crowd. So I think that you can decorate for the holidays with the typical Easter bunnies and eggs and chicks if you want to. I say go for it. Look how cute they are. So the bunnies are definitely out in my house. And if they make you happy, put them wherever you want them. and I love them. I know there are some cheesy Easter decorations out there, but you just have to be selective. I think that you can use them for Easter decorations and they look beautiful. So this little bunny, we bought him at an estate sale. And then I just have my egg holders here and I filled them with greenery. And then I just have a glass Easter egg sitting here. Okay, so I'll start at the top, and this little container is thrifted. So on this shelf in my living room, I have this little bunny face that I thrifted. We bought this at Clint Harp, which was Joanna's carpenter on Fixer Upper. We went to his little shop and we bought that. This is Joanna Gaines' Homebody book. I have this little bowl with the bunny coming out of it. And I love these beads. They came from Hobby Lobby. I just think they're so pretty. These are also thrifted. These are thrifted candle holders. And they have a little bunny. These are thrifted. That piece is from Restoration Hardware. And I have a little bunny tray in the back. Those beads are from Christmas, but just left them in there. This little piece is thrifted, and this is also thrifted. Okay, so on the other cabinets, I did the exact same thing at the top where the mirror is from Target and this piece is thrifted. So they're identical. And on this shelf, these pieces are thrifted. This is from At Home, and it's actually just 2 bowls. And I just turned one upside down and stacked them. This is my Easter arrangement that I made. I have a video on that I can link. The container is from Restoration Hardware. These are little flowers that I dried. This was my son's little bunny, so I had to stick him out when he was little. Now he's grown. This is thrifted, which I haven't cleaned and realized I didn't even take the tag off. So I just set it there to see what it looked like, and then it just stayed there. And then over here, this is from Tuesday morning. This is thrifted, and I have a video on that and making the candle. These are from an antique store. The bookends are also from an antique store. And the pictures in the center are a DIY. I can link that in the description. Over here, I have this little piece with the carrots on it. It was thrifted. Okay, so this little guy I have sitting on my cabinets underneath my TV. He's like a woven little bunny. He is like ceramic, but he looks like he would be like wicker. Comment down below, do you decorate with any of the traditional Easter decorations, or do you just use spring colors? You know, change out your pillows on the couch or blankets, which I also do that as well, but I still love my bunnies. So in my entry, I just have this little sign that says tulips, tiptoe through the tulips, and this little gold basket. This was actually garland that I took apart and just filled the basket with carrots. This was thrifted, very heavy. So on top of my wine cabinet, I have this little bunny that when my kids were little, we went to a garden center and they let both of the kids pick out these little cement bunnies. But through our 20 moves, one got misplaced. So I still have this one, which I love for sentimental reasons. And then I have this little olive jar that was thrifted. This piece was thrifted. Okay, don't forget to comment down below. I love to hear from you. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video.